Alright, this is responding to a question that one of the subscribers to Chocolate Without Milk on Facebook asked a question: what is the easiest way to learn the 9 times table? Apparently, like, one of the ladies, I should say, but I wouldn't call her name, she has a child who has having problems understanding the times table. So I promised this tutorial here to show her how to go about doing this. My real name is Cadogan, by the way. Alright, nonetheless, so we are looking at pattern recognition where numbers is concerned, where timetables are. Now, if you recognize that there's only really 10 digits alone from 0 to 9, so you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 being a whole number, so which really brings us to 10. So if you have to go further than 9, you'll have to keep on borrowing digits. That's why they say that numbers goes up to infinity, because you could keep on adding 1. So this basically, we're working with these 10 digits here from 0 to 9, and we're going to look at the hardest number in the times table, which I don't really think 9 times table is the hardest one. 7 is the one, because 7 have a different algorithm, which we're going to show in a different tutorial sometime, but nonetheless the user asks for 9, so we're going to be answering that question in a little bit. So let's move over to the framework that I've set up here. Alright, so I'm just going to put this in place. I know if you could recognize that we are going to times every number by 9. Alright, so we have 9 that's showing up here 10 times, so you're going to go from 1 to 10. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each one of them, now normally in primary school they teach you how to go up to 12 times tables, but when you're looking at pattern recognition and so on, you need to understand the concept of it first. And once you understand the concept, you could carry this up to 100 times without even memorizing, because most of us learn our timetables by memorizing stuff, not like 1, 2 is 2, 2, 2 is 4, and so on. But nobody really taught us how pattern recognition is work. So here's our algorithm over here again. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which gives us 10 numbers. And since 9 is the highest number, all we need to do is just to plug in each one of these numbers here within this times table here. So here's our matrix. Here's our times table. And let's go to solve it now. Very simple. So we go from 0. So using back all the numbers here. 1, 2, and you'll see the pattern here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because 9 being the highest number. And when we come back up here now, all we need to do is a decrement. So you go to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Now you see we arrive at our 9 times table, because 9 being the highest number, we use back every one in a sequence, so we don't skip like what we're going to do in the others when we show how to solve like the other parts of the times tables. And like if you want to do 7 times or 2 times or 3 times and so on, you normally skip, because those numbers are not really the highest number within that order now. So let's look at the pattern. 0 to 9. Then we look at bottom here, 9 to 0. Seeing it here? 1 and 8. 8 and 1. 2 and 7. 7 and 2. 6 and 3. 3 and 6. 4 and 5. 5 and 4. So you see it's switching here? The numbers really switching. So there's 3 and 6. 4 times 9 is 3 and 6. And you come down here, 7 times 9, 6 and 3. So you're really switching, you're watching at the pattern. So basically when somebody asks you a question, what is 4 times 9? You know, off the bat, there's a fourth number within the algorithm, which is number 3. And you match it up immediately to 6. Right? Because 6 now would be in that position, 4 to last as your decrement now. Very simple. Fourth number as the increment, 4 to last as you're going up. So you're watching the patterns. So here it is. Very simple recognition. You all could solve the 9 times table. I'm going to do the 2 times for you all sometime, which is easy, but I'm going to show you the algorithm. But before we even try the 2 times table, I'm going to do the 7 times table that somebody asked for. I'm going to do it for you all soon and send you all the video recording. Please subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my Facebook page.